Good morning. Thanks for your company this Monday, the 9th of November. I'm Jessica Amir, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, finally, investors have certainty and some are calling it a new healthy balance in Congress. Now, this relief saw U.S. equities close off their best week since April. Now, this is despite investors somewhat running out of puff on Friday with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq ending flat, while the Dow Jones lost 0.2%. Last week, Aussie equities were also on song, closing off their best week since May, erasing the prior week's steep losses. But importantly, what investors are now focused on this week is the stimulus that Joe Biden U.S. President-elect will bring in. We know Kamala Harris will become the first female elected vice president, both set to be sworn in on the 20th of Jan next year. And the Senate has been won by majority Republicans, the House of Representatives won by majority Democrats. But investors, of course, eagerly awaiting a formal stimulus package and more detail about Biden's policies. Elsewhere, what to take into consideration: the oil price is steady at $37.14 U.S. a barrel. As for the safe havens, gold is holding a 1.5-month high, $1,952 U.S. an ounce, while the USD has continued its decline. It's down about 0.2%, which helps the Aussie dollar, and it's lifted slightly to 72.5 US cents. What's in store for local equities? Well, the market is expecting a lift to kick off the week, a rally of 0.2% at the open. Now, what to watch? Well, there's plenty. Firstly, Victoria, importantly, and in great news, has recorded its 10th straight day of zero COVID-19 cases and deaths. And this all comes as Victoria has eased restrictions, with pubs and restaurants allowing up to 40 customers inside, 70 outside. Gyms, sports centres, theatres, cinemas are opening today as well. And if all goes to plan, restrictions will again ease in another 2 weeks' time. And CSL will today start making about 30 million doses of a coronavirus vaccine in Victoria. It's the University of Oxford and AstraZeneca's candidate that will go into production, with first doses set to be released in the first half of next year, of course pending an outcome of clinical trials and regulatory approval. A busy week economically as well. Brexit talks dominate headlines overseas, so keep an eye on locally listed stocks that could come under pressure, like Link Market Services and Virgin Money. Locally, building approvals are out later today, but a bigger item to watch is NAB's business confidence out tomorrow. Trading ideas that could be worth a look. Well, firstly, Bell Potter increased Macquarie's buy rating and target to $148, and that implies 9% upside. It's Bell Potter's top pick among financials, as it believes Macquarie has got the strongest cash and growth story among its peers. Elsewhere, Citi reiterated pallet maker Brambles as a buyer, $12.90 target, expecting further upside in earnings next year. There's also expectations of a share buyback, and it's trading at about 20 times earnings and is exposed to foreign exchange movement, so keep that in mind. Elsewhere, News Corp was reiterated as a UBS buy, a $25 target for NWS, after the company reported stronger than expected results that came out on Friday. Lastly, keep an eye on 3 stocks from a charting technical perspective: De Grey Mining, Chalice Gold Mines and Mineral Resources, all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. Stay safe, happy trading.